Hi guys,
I'm Ultimate Gardening.
and I'm Naomi's Art World.
So today we want to go ahead and talk about the topic, the class of 2020 of the graduating, and everybody, we want to congratulate everybody on your success of 2020.
So right now what we're living in is not really good. We have the coronavirus outbreak and we also have the Black Lives Matter. And you were probably thinking, oh, I'm going to go and graduate with my friends and take pictures, and no, now we have to stay 6 feet apart. So your picture's going to be big.
So also we want to go ahead and, like, just because you guys feel like you guys didn't success just because of this everything, like cutting down short, you have to go through the laptop, talking to classes, who knows how long we're gonna have to stay at home and not going to school. I know we most of all us miss friends, teachers that some of us like, not most, but we want to go ahead and tell you, you guys did success, you guys did your best, and you're moving on and further in life.
And we are also very, 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 very awkward. Okay. Okay, as I was saying before, I didn't say it. Okay, so I would just say to keep on going with your life. I know right now all of these times are hard because you don't get to see your friends and you won't be able to take that cute Insta post. But I feel you guys, and we're just here, me and my brother, we're here congratulating you guys and thanking you guys for doing your best. And I do have some friends in high school that are actually graduating this year, and they were really close friends, by the way, so I'm gonna miss them.
Yeah, but yeah, basically this is somewhat of a short video, but we want to go ahead and touch up on the topic just for you guys feel that you guys are actually like having success in what you guys did over this whole year. This whole year has been a crazy year with everything going on. Just, I have one thing to say is be at home, be safe. Equality is key, as you see in my description mostly, and also just stay home, be safe, and basically do everything you have to do just to stay safe and healthy and all this stuff. Anything else to add?
Well, I'll also congratulate every person who's graduating high school, college, and university this year. You guys have done the best you guys can.
And
elementary school, but and middle school.
Yeah.
But we hopefully, I don't know what to say. Okay, hopefully you guys have a good rest of the year and keep doing your stuff.
Yeah, and also just wanted to touch up on a little bit of the Black Lives Matter movement. We're not going to talk a lot about that just because this video is based on graduation. Equality is key, and I don't know what some people don't know what equality is because they passed preschool and they passed elementary unless they're, from other people, but yeah, just treating each other the way, like if someone's going to treat you. If you want someone treating you with disrespect and talking smack about you, go ahead and, well, not go ahead because, you... Okay, so moving on. Anything to say about this topic?
No, not really.
Yeah, moving on, because, so basically this is basically the this is the end for this video. I'll be putting both of their links in the description below. So here's my sister's logo, here's my cousin's logo. There's going to be a link in the description. I'm going to put both of their Instagrams also down below. And make sure to go subscribe to the channel, put notification buttons on for you don't miss none of their videos when they post. And I'll see if I can put one of their recent videos below. So make sure to like and comment down below on their videos and show them love and affection.
Appreciation.
And also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button because we're almost at 100 subscribers. I know you can do it. And also, guys, I just want to go ahead and say that we all love you guys. Please stay safe. We don't want nothing bad happening to you guys.
Remember, stay 6 feet apart. We live together.
So basically, on the screen I'm going to pop up my recent post and maybe their recent post as well. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if I already said that. So basically, guys, hope you stay tuned to my channel, stay tuned to their channel, right? And for you guys to stay for when they're posting some stuff. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye guys.
this is for the behind the scenes graduate thingy, graduate announcement thingy. Yeah, class of 2020. That we have to do for, yeah, my sister. Link in bio.
Hi guys!
I'm Ultimate Gardening.
And I'm Naomi's Art World.
So today, this video is going to be based on the class of 2019. Hi guys! I'm Ultimate Gardening.
And I'm Naomi's Art World.
Hi guys! I'm Ultimate Gardening.
And I'm Naomi's Art World.
So today, this video is going to be based on every kid who graduated on the class of 2020. So this video is basically us two announcing everybody who basically graduated, and we want to congratulate all you guys for all your success during this whole year.